Welcome back to my channel. In the power we have 1 by 2 is nothing but square root. So the given equation is square root of 1 upon x minus 1 upon x raised to the power of 3 plus square root of 1 upon x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 upon x raised to the power of 3, that is equal to 1. To make it easier, let t equal to 1 upon x. So this whole part turns into t, that is square root of t minus t cube plus square root of t square minus t cube, that is equal to 1. This one of the square root term, if we send to right hand side, then it becomes square root of t square minus t cube, that is equal to 1 minus square root of t minus t cube. Consider this as equation 1. To get rid of this square root, do square on both sides. Square root of t square minus t cube whole square. After this square and square root gets cancelled, then you are left with only t raised to the power of 2 minus t raised to the power of 3, that is equal to, if you do square here, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square, that is t minus t cube minus 2ab, that is 2 times square root of t minus t cube. This minus t power 3, if you send to left hand side, then become plus t raised to the power of 3 plus t raised to the power of 3. So minus t raised to the power of 3 plus t raised to the power of 3 gets cancelled. Then you are left only t square equal to 1 plus t minus 2 square root of t minus t cube. Now this t square, if you take it to right hand side, then become minus t square. If we send the square root term to the left hand side, then become plus 2 root t minus t cube. So consider this as equation 2. Now again do square on both sides. Left hand side turns into 4 times t minus t cube, that is equal to, now consider this as a and this as b. So a minus b whole square, which gives a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is also in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus t raised to the power of 4 minus, if we expand this, 2 t raised to the power of 2 minus 2 t raised to the power of 3. The left hand side we have 4t minus 4 t raised to the power of 3. If you take to right hand side, then become minus 4t plus 4t cube, that is equal to 0. Now we have t raised to the power of 4 and then plus t raised to the power of 3 minus 2 t raised to the power of 3, which gives plus 2 t raised to the power of 3. Then we have t square term and we have minus 2t square, which gives minus t square minus 4t plus 2t, which gives minus 2t plus 1, that is equal to 0. After removing the square roots in the power, we get this expression. Now let's see how to solve this. We have t raised to the power of 4, t raised to the power of 3, t raised to the power of 2. So both sides divide by t raised to the power of 2. Then you will get, after cancelling, you will get t raised to the power of 2 plus 2t minus 1 minus 2 upon t plus 1 upon t raised to the power of 2, that is equal to 0. Now we have t square and here 1 upon t square. Just write it one place. Plus now we have 2t and 2 upon t. 2 take it as common and write in one place. Then we will get t minus 1 upon t minus 1, that is equal to 0. If you do t minus 1 by t whole square, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. This a square plus b square minus 2ab. This minus 2, if you send to right hand side, then become plus 2. T raised to the power of 2 plus 1 upon t raised to the power of 2, you can write this as t minus 1 by t whole square plus 2. T minus 1 by t whole square plus 2. Again we have plus 2 times t minus 1 by t minus 1. is plus 2 minus 1, which gives plus 1, that is equal to 0. Here we have t minus 1 by t whole square plus 2 times t minus 1 by t plus 1 equal to 0. So to make it easier, let us assume a equal to t minus 1 upon t. So then our equation turns into a square plus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. Square plus 2a plus 1, we can write this as a plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So then a equal to minus 1. That means we assumed t minus 1 upon t, that is equal to a. That means t minus 1 upon t, the value is minus 1. If you take LCM here, we will get t square minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. T, take it to left hand side, then it become t raised to power of 2 plus t minus 1, that is equal to 0. This is an quadratic equation. We are going to find the factors of this. T equal to minus b is 1, minus 1 plus or minus b square, square root of b square minus 4ac by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So t values are minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Another one is minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. After finding the solutions, it's important to check these solutions actually work in the original equation or not. But in the original equation, we have a x raised to the power of 3 and x raised to the power of 3. So that means we have a cube, which can be tricky to work with. In this case, what we can do, how to check is this solutions are satisfied our original equation or not. In original equation, we have a cube. It's difficult to solve. That's why you take this 1 and 2 equations. We did square here. That's why this value always should be greater than 0. Substitute the t value here. If it is greater than 0, that means it satisfied our original equation. Let's try. Here also we have t cube term. Let's take the second equation, that is 1 plus t minus t square. The value should be greater than 0. First we check this. Substitute in this equation. That is 1 plus t value should be minus 1 minus root 5 by 2 minus t square. Find the value of t square. That is 1 over 4. If you do square of this minus 1 minus root 5, you will get 1 plus 5 plus 2 root 5. That is 6 plus 2 root 5. If you take 2 as common in the numerator, then we will get 3 plus root 5 by 4. 2 gets cancelled. So t square value is 3 plus root 5 upon 2. Take LCM. So 2 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 3 minus root 5 minus 2 root 5 by 2. So after 2 gets cancelled, then you are left with minus 1 minus root 5. So this is always negative value, which is not greater than 0. So we are not consider this solution. This solution is rejected. Let's take another solution. So our equation is 1 plus t minus t square is greater than 0. So first find out the t square value here. So the t square value is 1 upon 4. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is 6 minus 2 root 5. 3 minus root 5 upon 2. So substitute t value here. So 1 plus t value is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 minus t square value is 3 minus root 5 by 2. Take LCM, then we'll 2 minus 1 plus root 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus plus root 5. So after simplifying, we will get root 5 minus 1. So this is root 5 minus 1. The root 5 value is 2.25 minus 1. So it gives 1.25. This is greater than equal to 0. So this solution is satisfied our original equation. So we have only one solution, that is t equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Checking the solution in the inequality can be faster and more efficient, especially when dealing with cubes. So we can check 1 minus t square greater than equal to 0. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.